Hello, this is Elect0 again, and this time I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make particles, or particle-looking things, in the Blender game engine. So, alright. So let's open up Blender, and go into the side view by hitting number pad 3 or whatever. Make a plane, then let's add a new material. Add a new texture, image, and you're going to load the white particle image. You can find the download, or not the download, just the image in the description. I'll upload it to my website and you can get it from there. See, this is what it's going to look like right here. See, it's like a 32 by 32, I think, really small, but it still looks good. Anyway, alright, so now what we want to do, and turn on GLSL materials. If you can't run it, you might be able to do this. I don't know, I've never had that much luck with using UV maps and stuff outside GLSL materials, but whatever. Open up the UV image editor and open up the white particle and go into edit mode, and then hit U for UV unwrap. And over here you'll see this here, which is what we want, so you can leave edit mode now. Then go back, actually you're supposed to stay in edit mode. Go to the mesh editing tools, go over to texture face, hit two side, halo, and add. Now leave edit mode, go into texture mode by hitting Alt Z, and you see this is now our particle. You can see it inside the game engine, or not game engine, whatever. And because it's two-sided, it shows up on both sides. If you only want it to show up on one side, then just unselect two-sided from the texture thing. Anyway, alright, so now, since we're using this in the game engine, let's make it a ghost. Let's do not always, I don't like always. Let's do like a delay of like 1. I know there's not much difference, but I like delay more. Motion, let's do 0.05 for Z. Uncheck the L. Connect these. Alright, and okay, start the game engine by hitting P. There it goes, see? Now, let's see here. Okay, also, if you go into, I think this is perspective view. I don't like perspective, but if you do, the particle doesn't show up. So you have to be in orthographic. I don't know how to say it, but you have to be like this. Anyway, and you switch views by hitting your number pad 5 or whatever. Alright, so now we've got this good. Let's move it to the second layer. Now we're going to make our emitter. I'm going to move my empties to another layer so I can see what I'm doing. Add an empty. Whoops. Go back to the second layer and let's name our particle. Oh, there it is. Let's name it just particle. And okay, get back here. Let's name this empty particle emitter. Okay. Now what we want to do, want to go down here, add. Let's do a delay of 1. Repeat. Whoops, back to here, forgot to click repeat. Then connect these. I don't know why there's 2 of them. Now we want to go to edit object, add object, and then just type in the name of our particle, which is particle. Then connect it, and now it should work. Oh wait, set the time to 60, otherwise it'd really lag. Whoops, be in texture mode helps. There you go, see? And there's our particle, sort of. So, that's fairly simple. But you can also, you can use an IPO curve to change the color of the particle. I never did get that, but I suppose you can do it. I just use Photoshop. If you have Photoshop, then just open it up and just go to hue and saturation and just hit colorize and just play around with it till you get the color you want. If you use the GIMP or, well, any other program, I don't really know, just change the color. And if you like to use Paint, that's even easier. Just, yeah, anyway. So, yeah. I think that's about it for Simple Particle. So yeah, if you have any questions, just post a comment or message me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.